We thought a lot about what kind of program we could join in the area. In the end, we registered for a visit to the Licor 43 factory, where authentic drinks of Cartagena are produced. We took a taxi to the factory and the experience program. The colorful pattern of the building refers to the 43 ingredients, symbolizing their diversity. The Licor 43 Visitor Program. During the tour we learned about the brand's history and also visited the factory, but taking recordings inside the factory is forbidden. At the end of the program, a tasting awaited everyone. The name Licor 43 refers to the 43 different ingredients used in making the drink. Its modern form was created by the Zamora family in 1946. The recipe is secret, known only to a few family members, but it is known that its origins go back a long way. According to the company, its predecessor was the elixir Liquor Mirabilis from Roman times, made with local fruits and herbs. Theirs is a true worldwide success. Since the 2000s, the brand has positioned itself as a premium liqueur. Today, Licor 43 is sold in more than 80 countries. The original liqueur is a golden spirit, infused with citrus notes, vanilla, and a blend of other delicate aromas. All of this comes together in a sweet, vanilla-like flavor profile. In this refreshing cocktail, Licor 43 is mixed with tonic and lime. Carajillo is a coffee-based specialty, which gained particular popularity in Mexico. It is actually a mix of Licor 43, espresso, and ice. It is shaken vigorously in a shaker, which gives it a foamy, creamy texture. After that, we got to taste the cocktail and drink specialties. Warning: recommended only for those with a sweet tooth. In the evening in Cartagena, we came across a festival in front of the town hall, which featured improvisational performances.
Ay, tú me vienes vacilando, y además montas un reto. No me tiene mucha
Vamos a ver lo que pasa. Y yo ya empecé a temblar, porque el miedo es un lugar que se convirtió en mi casa. Vamos a ver lo que traza y vos mientras canta acá. Y si el miedo se me va, Yasmín, ya que estamos juntos, ya comienza el contrapunto de Argentina y Panamá.
Muy buenas noches, mi gente, los quisiera saludar y con mi canto expresar el abrazo más ferviente al compa de mi torrente, buscamos la reconciliar como la alegre vigilia cuando un amigo me abraza. Cartagena es mi casa y ustedes son mi familia. Temperatura tenemos tiempo parecido.
Ay, che tempo parecido, este clima es atroz, ya nos trae o calor, ay, Lupe, a tu amor. Me parece, ay, la poniate como te puñas, se ve caliente, hay un aire, ay, la, hasta as terras da Coruña. Pero Lupe vai calando que chido da trompeta, ai,
In this part, we visited Cartagena's Liquor 43 visitor program and the factory, where we learned about the history, promotions, and flavors of the liqueur. In the evening, we listened to the artists of the Improvisation Festival in front of the town hall. In the next part, we continue our walk in Cartagena.